Hello everyone, today, we are going to focus on a quote by Winston Churchill. He said, "If you're going through hell, keep going." Here, if is an adverb which is placed at the beginning of the sentence to express a condition. Your is the contracted form of you are. It's you which is the second person singular or plural plus the verb to be in plural. In your going you have the subject plus to be plus bare infinitive plus ing which expresses non-distant future. In going through, the phrasal verb to go through means to cross, for instance a border or something like it. Hell is a noun meaning a place regarded in various religions as a spiritual realm of evil and suffering, often traditionally depicted as a place of perpetual fire beneath the earth where the wicked are punished after death. Keep is an ordinary verb. Keep going is the synonym of continue.